If your furnace is banging, rattling, squealing, or vibrating, that's not normal. Noises usually mean something is loose or worn out. At Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning, we find the cause and fix it before a small issue becomes an expensive repair. Common furnace noises and what they can mean: banging, rattling, squealing, grinding, buzzing. Loud noise today can become no heat tomorrow. Don't wait for it to break down. Why homeowners choose Uptown: same-day service, licensed professionals, full diagnostics, clear recommendations, service for all major brands. Schedule your furnace check today. Serving Houston, Katy, Cypress, Spring, Tomball and surrounding areas.